Hey everybody, it's Scott Golden from Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations. Here's one of our recent projects.
Hi, I'm Lisa Harrow.
I'm Dave Harrow. We wanted to modernize our bathroom. It had been the same way since we first built the house, and we wanted to update it and have it have a really modern look and feel.
We were also having some water issues with a window, and so we wanted to get that removed and remodeled and just updated and make it fresh again. We also had one long mirror. We got rid of the long mirror, updated it with two mirrors, and repainted all the cabinets and the walls in the bathroom to match the new tile that we have in the bathroom.
And also brought in new lighting for the whole bathroom.
For me, it was organization. From the beginning, when you came in and first talked about this project, we had a plan from step one to the final step to get to the end of the bathroom and have it completed. And we just kind of followed that plan all the way through. And so that was really reassuring to us because we knew what phase we were in and how close we were to the end. It was very organized.
And the team that you assigned to us, all the different teams were really, really talented.
Absolutely. They were all really talented, respectful. They cleaned up after each other. Customer service with your company is off the charts. I've done two major projects, or we've done two major projects with your company, and both times customer service, if there was a question I had, or if something wasn't just right, you came out, Scott, and you addressed it right away. We so appreciated that. Also know that it's a process. It's not something that happens overnight and you have to be patient with the process, but know the final result is going to be so beautiful that you just love it the way we do. We just absolutely love the results that we got from the bathroom.
If you'd like to talk to us about your next project, please give us a call. We'll schedule a time to meet in your home or in our showroom.